Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science, semester 6th, in online lecture series of paper 15, Fishery Economics, Fish Marketing, Fishery Cooperatives and Extension. In this paper 15, we have studied the unit 2nd, Fish Marketing in India, and in this unit 2nd, the last point or last but one point we have seen, and that last but one point is the facilitating functions, fish marketing in India, and in this fish marketing in India, facilitating functions. During last part we have studied in this facilitating function, that is standardization, then grading, advantages of standardization, advantages of grading. Then we have studied, that is packing, how packaging is to be important. Your product, your goods, it can be packaged, it can be packed. For packing, which material you can use? That material may be paper, that material may be polythene, that material may be plastic, that material may be cans or cartoons, or it may be that is steel or iron cans, cartoons, or sometimes that is hundis, or sometimes that is the earthen pots. That is the packing materials. Then the materials, it can be packed. Then labeling is to be important, labeling is to be done. In that cartoons, in that cans, what is the material, what is the product we can fix, and what is the name is to be given, what is the label is to be given. Labeling, this labeling is to be important, and which label we have stick to your product, what is the size of label, whether label is to be durable or it is to be delicate, within short one breakage it can be tear. Means this labeling is to be important, it is to be attractive, as well as the name of the product, that is branding. What is the brand name of your product, what is the brand name of your goods, and this brand name is also suitable. The brand name is also suitable for consumers, brand name is also acceptable by consumers, and then these brand name, it can be accepted by communities, can be accepted by the local people, that is society. Then your product will be popularized. Means labeling, packing and branding, all these 3 points, these are to be important, for facilitating function. Now in today's part we are studying, your product is to be labeled, it is to be transported, packing is to be done, branding is to be done, but what is the financing? Who can finance you? Who can provide your financing assistant? Who can provide you the economic power? That is financing and pricing, which is to be used in today's part. Yes, the important point, that is financing. Provision of money at the time when it is wanted. Provision of money at the time when it is wanted is called as finance, and supply of money of marketing process is called as financing. What is meant by financing? Provision of money at the time when it is to be required, when it is to be wanted, and it is called as finance. And when supply of such money, supply of money for marketing process, supply of money for marketing process is called as financing. For fish marketing, enough finance is needed. For construction of fish ponds, enough finance is to be required. For the construction, for the manufacture of various types of fish ponds, that may be earthen fish ponds, that may be cement fish ponds, or that may be various types of fish ponds. Then rearing of fishes, production of fish seed, as well as for purchasing the fish seed. You can produce the fish seed in your farm, it is the production of fish. Or we do not produce the fish seed, we can only purchase the fish seed from other fish farm, then it is also required finance. Then for fishing, to capture fishes, to capture seeds, fish net, these are to be important. Then financing is to be done for netting. Fishing boats to capture fishes, to harvest fishes, boats, craft, ships, these are to be required. These boats, ships or these craft, these are to be essential to catch the fish. That's why fishing boats, nylon nets, loan for reclamation of tanks, all these reasons, money is to be essential, money is to be required. And who can provide money? Who can supply money to the fish farmers, to the fisherman, or to the businessman? That person is to be important, that person is to be most essential, that person is to be most key factor in the culture of aquaculture or in the fish farming, in the fish farming. For that purpose, enough finance is to be essential, enough financing condition these are to be provided, and when enough financing condition these are to be available in adequate quantities and in large number, then fishermen can construct number of ponds, it can reclaim the ponds, rearing of fishes it can be done, production of seed it can be done possible, as well as it can purchase the seed, then it can also purchase the fishing nets, fishing boats, nylon nets, or for the loan reclamation. That's why financial assistance is the main factor. Financial producer, financial, these are to be important, and finance is provided to fishermen in terms of subsidy. It is also a interesting factor. Those financiers, that may be government is the financer, that may be state government is the financer, that may be cooperative society is the financer, or that may be the different agents, different NGOs. It can be provide finance to the fishermen or to the fish culturists. These finance, that may be bank, that may be government, that may be state government, central government, or any cooperative society, it provided to fishermen. A subsidy is to be given. Subsidy is the intensive to attract the common man, to attract the fisherman to culture fish, to grow fish on large quantities, on more quantities. And that's why subsidy is the important, subsidy is the intensive to stimulate fish farmers and fish cultures. Subsidy is generally non-refundable. Subsidy is generally non-refundable. 25% subsidy, 10% subsidy, or 15% subsidy. Those subsidies are to be given by bank, by assistant, that may be financial assistant. That subsidy, it is to be non-refundable. That subsidy is to be non-refundable. It can be not refund to the bank, to the assistance, which can be provide the money, which can provide the finance. Subsidy is generally non-refundable. Financial assistance given by the government as an intensive for promotion of the business. Financial assistance is given by the government, that may be central government or that may be state government, and it is an intensive for promotion of the business. Because these government, these are to give some subsidies, then automatically people can attract toward the business of fish and fishing activity. Financial assistance should be returned. Financial assistance should be returned within 6 years with 1 year extra as a grace period. Suppose in natural calamities these are to be occur. Suppose natural conditions these are to be not favorable. Heavy rainfall these are to be occur. Fish seed these are to be flow. Then financial assistance should be returned. Those financiers, finance to fish farmers, to the fish culturists, minimum time is to be given, and that minimum time is to be 6 years, and 1 year is to be extra. Suppose within 6 years it can be not refund your money, then 1 year is to be grace period. 1 year is to be given to these fishermen to refinance, to refund your finance, to return their money to the financer. Finance is given at the low rate of interest through banks. Finance is also given. What is the interest rate? Interest rate is to be as equal to as bank. That is the state government bank or the state central government bank. The finance is given at low rate of interest through banks, not to the cooperative society, because cooperative societies or other societies, its interest is to be more as compared to the government interest. Refinance is also given to the marginal and smaller fish farmers and fishermen. Refinance is also given. Refinance is also given to the marginal and smaller fish farmers and fishermen. As possible as this refinance is to be given, again and again finance is to be provided. Financial assistance to fishermen is given by following authorities: financial assistance to fishermen, financial assistance to common fishermen, or the fishermen or fish culture is given by following authorities. Who can provide the financial assistance to the fishermen? Who can provide the financial assistance to the fish farmers? In these authorities, number one, State Fisheries Department, it can supply the finance. Integrated Rural Development Program, IRDP, Integrated Rural Development Program, it can also provide the assistance, it can also provide the finance to the fish farmers, fish cultures. Third, Fish Farmer Development Agency, that is FFDA. FFDA, Fish Farmer Development Agency, it can also provide, it can also supply finance to the fish farmers. Fourth, nationalized banks, that is State Bank of India, State Bank of Hyderabad, State Bank of Punjab, or that is Baroda Bank. These are the different nationalized banks. Then cooperative banks, cooperative, state cooperative bank, agricultural cooperative bank, fisheries cooperative bank, these are the cooperative banks. Then state banks, those are the banks under the control of state government. These banks such as Buldhana Urban Bank, such as Maharashtra Gramin Bank, such as Krishna Gramin Bank, these are the some state bank. These state bank, these are to be supplied loans, finance to the fish farmers, fish cooperative societies or fisheries cooperative society. It can also be supplied the finance to the fish farmers, to the, that is fishermen, fisheries cooperative society. Then large and well recognized industrials such as industrialists such as Ambani, Tata, these are the larger, that is Azim Premji. These are different larger industrialists, large and well recognized industrialists. These industrialists also supply the finance to the fish farmers such as Tata, such as Ambani or Reliance, such as other groups. These groups, these can be provided assistance to the these fishermen. These means State Fisheries Department, Integrated Rural Development Program, Fish Farmer Development Agencies, nationalized cooperative banks, state banks, then nationalized banks, cooperative societies, and large and well recognized industrialists. These are those provide the finance to the fish farmer or fishermen. Then next point, that is pricing. To fix the price. What is meant by pricing? Pricing means, or pricing is to be defined as exchange value of goods, exchange value of goods or services, exchange value of goods or services in terms of money is called as price. What is meant by price? Pricing means, or price means exchange value of goods, exchange value of goods or services in terms of money is called as price, and price of a good is formulated by cost of production and other associated costs. How the price of the goods, price of the commodity, these are to be fixed, these are to be preferred. How these cost, price, these are to be fixed. Price of good is to be formulated by cost of production and other associated costs. Depending upon this cost of production and other associated costs, cost of or price of that goods, it can be fixed, it can be applied. The other costs are supplementary costs at middleman point, other costs are supplementary costs at middleman point, distribution cost, as well as cost of advertising and cost of publicity. All these other cost is nothing but the supplementary cost. These cost is nothing but the middleman point, distribution cost, then advertising cost, cost of publicity, all those extra expenditure which is to be expended on the product, launching, distribution, middleman, advertise and publicity, all these are to be included in the cost. In the marketing system of India, major part of profit goes in the pocket of parasites. It is most interesting and important point in the marketing system of India. In the marketing system of India, major part of profit goes in the pocket of parasite as wholesaler, middleman, commission agent, retailers, etc. And on both sides, producer as well as consumer, producer and both consumer, it can be completely revenged, completely or totally it can be to take maximum disadvantages and in marketing system. That's why both producer have lost and consumers have lost, because these marketing system is the weakest link in market, and the maximum profit goes to the pocket of parasite. Who are the parasite on this market? Wholesalers, middlemen, commission agent, processing agents, retailers. All these are the parasite, and these parasite, these are to be earn more money as compared to the producer, as like maximum purchasing price these are to be offered due to these middlemen, and consumers can paid more money to purchase a goods, to purchase a fish and fish product. That's why these are to be more dangerous for the consumers also. Due to such intermediaries systems, neither the producer nor the consumer is benefited. Due to such intermediaries, due to such parasites, those parasites which is to be depend on these commodities, these parasites, these are to be more intermediate system. Neither the producer nor the consumer is benefited by such marketing system, but more benefited, more beneficial benefits these are to be goes to the middleman. Price of fish and fish product are vary from place to place. Price of fish and fish products are vary from place to place and from species to species, as well as market to market. Market of one fish in Jintur and market of other same fish in Aurangabad, price is to be different. Same fish which is to be sold in Bombay market, price is to be different. Means price of a fish, price of a product is vary from place to place and from species to species. Means katla is to be sold in market 200 rupees per kg, whereas Velaguatu these are to be sold in market 300 rupees per kg, whereas Channa Morel these are to be sold in market 400 rupees per kg, and that is Masta Cymbalus aromatus sold in market 500 rupees per. Means species to species, price is to be different. Market to market, price is to be different. It is to be variable. It is to be not same price. Price of fishes and fish product influence due to following factor. Price of fishes and fish product influence due to the following factor. Which factor these are to be responsible? Which factor these are to be influence the price of product? Which are these factors? Number one, types of fish, size of fish, weight and quality, whether the quality of fish is to be good, healthy, recently these are to be caught, captured, and it is to be not spoiled, because it is the spoilage means quality. Types of fish, whether it is to be which type of fish, small size, large size, size of fish is also important. Weight and quality, indigenous or exotic. Maximum fishes these are to be indigenous, these are to be used as food. Exotic fishes these are to be Cyprinus carpio, grass carp and silver carp. Then Indian pure wild fishes, Indian pure wild fishes, as well as the cat fishes or aquarium fishes. All these fishes these are have a price, and price of these fishes and these are to be depend upon different factors, that is types of fish, size of fish, weight of quality of fish, indigenous and exotic, Indian pure wild fish, then culture fish, aquarium fish. All these are the different varieties. The tasty fishes like Indian major carps get more price in market. Tasty fishes like Indian major carps get more price in market, in which Katla got highest price in major carps. Likewise, Indian wild variety as Masta Cymbalus aromatus, Channa Morellus, these fishes these are to be sold in market more than 400-500 rupees per kg. Means the quality of these fishes these are to be depend upon their, that is as compared to these major carps, wild fishes have also a high price, more price. Then Next factor, place is also popular in determination of cost or price of fishes. Place, where fishes these are to be captured more and consumer these are to be less, price is to be automatically less, that is demand and supply. More demand, supply less, price is to be increased. More supply, less demand, then price is to be decreased. State of fish and size of fish is also get more weightage for price formation. Large fishes get more price than small size of fish. Demand and supply of fish species determine the price of particular fish species. Just I have told you. In marketing, time is more important for price fixing. In which time your product is to be entered, early in the morning or at the time of evening. In the time of afternoon, there is no market consumers. That's why price is to be less. It is to be minimum. When it is to be entered early in the morning, more price means in marketing time it is to be most important which time your product is to be entered. In proper time fishes are entered in market, it has got good price, but after time fishes enter, there is no market, no customers and no market these are to be formed, then less price these are to be occur, less price these are to be formed. Means in proper time, in proper area, that is these fishes these are to be entered, these are to be got the good price. All these various factors determine the price of fish and fish market in Indian market. That's why these factors these are to be considerable to fixing the price. These factors these are to be considered to prefer the fix the price.